Welcome to the BAE Systems Innovation Theatre, the home of innovation.
Here at BAE Systems, we work to deliver the benefits of innovation.
Using ideas to protect our soldiers and sailors, airmen and women, and security and emergency services personnel.
Using ideas to make design and manufacture safer and more efficient.
Using ideas to save money.
Using ideas to improve the lifespan of equipment and make it easier to maintain.
Let us show you some examples.
We all know about the threat of improvised explosive devices, or IEDs. To defeat them, you need to innovate. You need intelligence to defeat the bomb makers. You need to analyse vast amounts of information to find people building or using such devices. You need new methods of detection, specialised sensor equipment that can be used to detect where a device has been in place. And new methods of neutralisation, novel standoff solutions to defeat a device.
In crowded places, a key challenge is to detect those behaving suspiciously, making repeated actions or leaving objects in unexpected places. We have developed systems that can detect such abnormal behaviour and track the suspects in crowded public areas.
On the battlefield, the challenge is also the gathering of intelligence, analysing it to make informed decisions and getting the right data to the right person at the right time. We have developed systems that can provide defence and security personnel with the ability to respond fast, real-time live information for quicker responses, better targeting and better communication, putting it all together to connect the right people with the right information while focusing on system redundancy, developing systems that can analyse and cope with gaps in the data.
Looking at one specific example, our airborne wide area persistent surveillance system provides day and night surveillance to detect hostile operations, such as IED placement, helping commanders to know what is going on and protecting the soldiers on the ground.
Now, for those on the ground, we are looking at what they have to carry and how we can lighten the load. We are looking at designs of lightweight equipment and armour, reducing a soldier's payload by up to 10 kilograms. That can be up to 35%. Now, many items in today's soldiers' payload require batteries, and different batteries to make them work. So we are looking at an integrated wearable power supply that has wiring incorporated into the fabric of the soldier's personal gear. The same principle also applies for radio aerials, reducing the soldier's overall profile.
From land to sea. Imagine you're on a submarine. What's the last thing you'd want to have in the hull? The answer is holes. But typically there can be up to 300 holes in the hull because you need sensors on the outside feeding information to the inside. We have developed technology that allows the transfer of data and power through the solid steel of the hull, which is not only safer, there are no holes. It saves money. Maintaining a hull and the hull around it costs millions through the lifetime of a submarine. This same technology can be applied to any hull structure, such as surface ships or armoured vehicles.
Military equipment lasts a long time. It is designed to, but that means its maintenance and upgrade are major factors in the overall through-life cost. Across our businesses, we are looking at ways to assist our customers with the readiness and sustainment of their assets. A practical example of this are the wing sensors on the Typhoon aircraft. Previously, if these had failed, we had to take the wings off to replace them, a 1,000 man-hour operation. So, we rapidly developed a system which means we don't have to take the wings off. This keeps the aircraft flying and saves over £80,000 per repair. For the future, we are looking at complex networks of sensors that enable the equipment itself to diagnose faults or structural fatigue, much like our own central nervous system. This is of particular importance for unmanned vehicles, allowing them to autonomously detect whether they are still mission capable. And we bring our innovation skills to new platforms. Demon is an unmanned air vehicle that uses blown air rather than conventional flaps and control surfaces, reducing overall operating cost. At sea, the future surface combatant comes in many variants, but has common hulls and common combat systems developed by BAE Systems. And we are working on future submarine designs. On land, new vehicle concepts include lightweight patrol vehicles, new wheeled vehicle designs, and combat vehicles for the US Army.
And we're looking at the wider picture. Within the military supply chain, energy is a key cost. And we're working on intelligent systems that can analyse the fully burdened cost of energy, looking at the real cost of filling fuel tanks, whether that is in mid-air, on base at home, or on the front line, to keep those costs down while still delivering energy to where it is needed. Carbon emissions and fuel consumption are also now a global concern, so we look at taking ideas developed from the military, thank you, to the city. Buses, using our hybrid drive technology, have carried over 1 billion passengers to date. 1 million passengers use them every day. BAE Systems powered hybrid buses have helped prevent the release of about 100,000 tonnes of CO2 emissions and have saved nearly 40 million litres of diesel fuel.
BAE Systems is working worldwide to deliver innovative ideas to our customers.
From the design of ships, vehicles and aircraft, through the systems that make them effective and connect them, the materials that they are made of, to the analysis of the roles of the people who operate them, we are committed to using the best ideas, integrating the best ideas, and to making them work.
Thank you for your attention, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.